So London house prices have underperformed the rest of the UK on average the last 8 years. So whilst the average house price has gone up by 37% since 2016, London house prices have only gone up by 10%. That's effectively just over 1% over the last 8 years. So after the 2008-2009 property crash, London was the first city to literally skyrocket, having double-digit growth. And that was effectively spurred on by employment growth as well as huge amount of infrastructure investment. But whilst Brexit, the pandemic, impacts and regulations on landlords have all had an impact in terms of affordability and property prices in London, other cities have actually taken advantage of that and have had massive amount of capital growth and rental growth. So if you're sat on the fence in two minds whether you should invest outside London, maybe this would be a seed for thought.